Hey everyone, welcome to our South Goa adventure. Today's itinerary is packed with fun and excitement, so let's get started. Our first stop is an art gallery which is in Panjim. It's very vibrant and exhibit. We enjoyed a delightful breakfast and some delicious coffee here. And then our first stop is going to be a Jila Bakery which is in Margao. This is a family-owned bakery and a local gem known for its amazing treats. We tried the famous eclairs and they were absolutely delicious. Definitely a must try if you're in this area. Now we're heading to Blue Lagoon, which is also in South Goa, another beautiful spot here in South Goa. I'm excited to show you what this place looks like. We've almost arrived at Blue Lagoon, and guess what? We're about to go kayaking here. It's going to be so much fun. This is the way down to the beach. Here's the person who's gonna help us. Okay, beach का नाम क्या है? Kola Beach. Kola Beach. It's called Kola Beach. And he's the person who's gonna get us the kayak for kayaking. There you go, you can see that beach from a distance. So we started off with this kayaking adventure. We rented 2 kayaks for an hour, and let me tell you, this was worth every penny. It costed us 600 rupees for both kayaks, but the experience was amazing. The water was perfect and we had a blast paddling around. We were still learning, we were in a pro in this, but it was fun. If you were thinking of doing something fun and adventure, kayaking is definitely a great choice in South Goa for you. Alright, we're heading to our next and the final stop for the day, which is Cape Goa. We heard so many great things about this place and we wanted to save the best for last. Cape Goa is located on top of a hill and the view here is just incredible. You get a panoramic view of the sea and it's a perfect spot to watch the sunset. The sunset here is supposed to be breathtaking. We're all set to take some amazing photos and I'm so excited to capture these beautiful moments. If you're into photography or just love gorgeous sunsets, this is definitely the place to be. It was great to relax and savor our meals while taking in the stunning sunset. The atmosphere here is just perfect for winding down after a busy day. We ordered a fish fry, which was half rava fry and half Goan masala fish. We also ordered a tandoori chicken. It was great. After we finished our lunch, we came back to the cliff to take some photos like everyone else. Wow, just look at that stunning sunset. It's truly magical way to end the day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as we enjoyed today. If you did, Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment below letting us know your favorite part of this video. Thank you.